Hello kids! Today we'll travel to the Sahara Desert. We'll make creations that remind us of this desert. Like for example, this one. You can see the sand dunes and the sun in the background. Like these real sand dunes as far as you can see. Let's see what else we can make. Let's use another mold. And that's an animal, of course. We will be making a camel. How can we talk about the Sahara Desert and not make camels? They live in the desert. These ones are in the Egyptian desert, next to the pyramids. Just like these 3 camels, they also live in Egypt. Let's see what else we can do. I wonder what this is. Of course, it's a snake. This one looks like a cobra. This one is a horned viper, and you can definitely find it in the Sahara Desert. Let's see what else we can do. It's a cactus. It's a plant that you find in the American desert, in New Mexico or Arizona, but not in the Sahara Desert. We will be making all these creations with different colors. Let's start with the first one in purple. Here's our desert landscape in purple. Let's make the next one in blue, and that will be the camel. An Arabian camel in blue. The next one will be the snake in green. Here is our green snake. Let's make the next one, the cactus in yellow, the American cactus. We finished making our cactus. We'll also be making an Arabian door, and I will use two colors, red and orange. Our first door is ready. Let's make 2 indents. And now our door looks more like an Arabian door. We'll make the next one in orange. Here's our second door in orange. We made a few creations that remind us of the desert. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and see you next time.